Oh, before you go, let me just.
What are you
Oh,
doing?
for fuck's sake.
Oh, here we go
You
again.
have a nice night.
Oh, the little eyebrow, little twist. Yeah.
You just
yeah.
zoom in and just go, hey, pissing there by yourself,
I would
handsome.
like.
4, 3.
New Wolverine main, let's go. I'll show you.
All you need to do is
Throw
capture
me
the
in,
mission area.
Quinn.
Got it?
Quinn, I got this.
A shield. Something tells me this is a good day to have a healer.
You fucker! I'm gonna kill you, Quinn. You will be. You fucker. Oh my god, nuts! Spores just don't affect you? What is that? What are you even for? I can scratch you. Can I leech life you at least? Can I? What are you rubbing? It's weird. It makes me very uncomfortable.
Starts in 5, 4, 3.
It's new throw main? What the fuck? I'll show you.
Just capture the mission area.
Oh my god! I'll show you.
Just capture Mine's in place.
No!
Do my ult right here.
I got 5! I got 5!
Oh, I got 6! I got all 6! Holy shit, good job, Ryan! Ryan, that was beautiful! Good boy, good boy, good boy. Like, look at this. Look at this. I hate it. No. Oh, silent. To be fair, like I don't think anyone could have like pulled that off very easily. It's like so aerodynamic that we had nothing else included. Like your steering wheel and that's it. That's it. You go and that is it.
Reminds me of Lego Fortnite.
Yeah. Legend of Zelda ass sports car.
Can't have a pie without Cool Whip. Cool Whip. 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 Cool Whip. 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 Cool Whip. 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 You can't have a pie without Cool Whip.
I heard sexual intercourse noises.
Sorry, that was my bad.
Sarahs, you're so freaking sweet.
Can that kill me?
Oh! What is it? Bruh. This is so sad to watch. Someone tell him he's swinging too high. He's all, you creature of the night. How are you invulnerable to my attack? Come on. You got this, guy. We believe in you. Oh my gosh. I like how he takes a second to block. Like he's like, oh, you're gonna return fire, are you? Okay, this guy is sick. Unstoppable force meets immovable object.
Don't dad.
Don't dad. Frost stubbed a toe. Oh, you know what? That would make me very sad. So for reals. Especially if you do it. Oh my god, if you do it on the pinky toe, it's over. Who is Tad? But the Tad.
So that's how he was something about those.
Yep. Oh, ah! Oh my god! What the fuck? If my toe bent back like that, I would pass out. If I looked at my toe and it was backwards that far, I would literally faint. I'd be like, this is not normal. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Broke the bitch.
Yeah, holy shit. Oh.
That is a sign of
Holy shit.
amputate the toe.
I'm in love.
Yeah, oh my god. Holy shit. Theme remained. It did, yeah. Oh my, yeah, look, they made a missing poster. They actually made a missing poster. Oh my gosh. Some Nutella on light toast taken from stat. Oh my gosh. This is such a sad story. This story is so sad because, like, we started out as Nutella, right? And they finally got things together. They got their car, you know, they started driving, you know, all this stuff. And then one day,
He's just gone.
one day, they parked their car somewhere. Someone snatched them up, and then people started putting up missing posters of them. This is so sad. You know, we need a part 2.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.